Welcome to Auto Supercar, your go-to for top car care essentials. From powerful vacuums to pro-grade cleaners, we've got it all. Say goodbye to mess and hello to shine. Subscribe now for quick tips and reviews. Click the link in the description to buy all these gadgets now. Let's start the video. Number 1. Car Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the ultimate car cleaning companion. A mini vacuum that's compact, lightweight, and powerful. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it tackles everything from dust to food spills with ease. With strong suction and a range of attachments, it keeps your car tidy effortlessly. Plus, it's conveniently powered by your car's 12V outlet, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Say goodbye to messy car interiors with this practical and efficient gadget. Number 2. Car Duster Interior. Introducing our high-quality car wash brush, fine fiber bristles for fast, scratch-free cleaning. Compact size with a convenient storage case. Versatile design reaches every corner, perfect for both car and home use. Upgrade your cleaning game today! Number 3. Buffer Polishing Accessories. Introducing a versatile 20-piece drill cleaning attachment set and buffer polishing accessories for all your cleaning and polishing needs. From scrubbing tough surfaces to polishing and buffing, this set has you covered. Includes various brushes, scouring pads, and polishing pads for efficient cleaning and detailing. Simple installation instructions ensure easy use with your drill. Please check compatibility before purchasing. For best results used with other cleaning products. Number 4. Car Wash Kit for home use. Introducing the SwiftJet Professional Foam Sprayer with Microfiber Wash Mitt, the ultimate car wash kit for home use. This all-in-one solution features 6 foam spray settings and a rinse spray, delivering professional results without the need for costly commercial car washes. Suitable for all vehicles, boats, and outdoor furniture, it connects easily to any garden hose and ensures a comfortable cleaning experience with its ergonomic design. Say goodbye to expensive trips to the car wash and hello to convenience and quality with SwiftJet. Number 5. Microfiber Towels. Experience the revolutionary grip root weave. Microfiber towels. With ultra-absorbent technology, they trap 8x to 10x their weight in liquid and dirt, making cleaning a breeze. These durable towels last over 1,200 washes, offering unmatched efficiency and eco-friendliness. Try them risk-free and discover the difference today. Number 6. Chenille Car Wash Mitt. Introducing the Chenille Car Wash Mitt. Crafted from premium microfiber, it's gentle on paint, yet tough on dirt. Its plush design holds plenty of water and soap for a scratch-free washing experience. With its dense construction, it reduces scratches and lasts for years. Trust Chemical Guys, the #1 brand in car care, for top quality products and support. Number 7. Unbeatable Slickness. Experience unbeatable slickness with our product. Just feel it to believe it. Achieve the highest level of gloss and shine effortlessly right at home. Benefit from extreme hydrophobicity, keeping your car cleaner for longer. Application is quick and easy. Spray and buff for an incredible shine in no time. Number 8. Total Interior Cleaner. Introducing Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant from Chemical Guys, the all-in-one solution for your car's interior. Clean and protect multiple surfaces with just one product, saving you time and money. Its professional-grade formula is easy to use and leaves surfaces dry to the touch without any greasy residue. Simplify your detailing routine with Chemical Guys, the trusted brand in car care. Number 9. Cleaning Gel for Car. Introducing our Car Cleaning Gel, the perfect solution for hard-to-reach areas in your car. Efficiently picks up dust and debris, saving time and effort. Made from eco-friendly materials, it's reusable and safe for your skin. Portable and easy to use, it's suitable for home, office, and car. Satisfaction guaranteed. Contact us with any questions or feedback. Number 10. Car Wash Brush Kit. Introducing our 62 car wash brush with adjustable length and sturdy design for easy cleaning. The 2-in-1 Chenille scratch-free car wash mitt offers flexible use. Made from premium materials, it's durable and suitable for indoor and outdoor use. perfect for car enthusiasts, and makes an ideal gift. Thanks for watching Auto Supercar. Don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for more car care tips and reviews. Keep your ride shining with us. See you next time.